Trying to look cute without looking like you tried so hard? Don't worry. This date night look says I'm effortless, but also he better not look away. Hi everyone, I'm Angie and welcome back to my channel. I share makeup and skincare tips that are simple, honest and glow up worthy. If that's your vibe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I'm starting with a skin tint to give me that breathable natural base. We want our day to think we are effortlessly radiant, not caked in foundation. But I do want to cover my dark spots, so I'm using a tiny brush for precise concealing. It keeps the look fresh. Therefore, with whatever left on the sponge, I just dab it under my eyes because let's be honest, we don't need him knowing we binged an entire C-drama last night. I'm going in with a Rare Beauty blush. It's pigmented and pretty. I use a small brush because it gives more control. The goal of today is to make it look like he made us blush. It's the subtle flirt, guys, that says I'm into you without saying a word. I'm setting my face with powder because we don't want the makeup sliding off mid-day or worse, peeling. Keep it soft, matte and locked in. For brows, I'm just brushing them up and setting the shape. If you want to fill them in a little, make sure to go for a brown shade instead of black because it makes your face softer. Next, bronzer to lightly contour the nose, starting from the brow bone to the tip. This gives you soft definition that frames the face beautifully. For eyes, I blend a brown shadow as a base. Then I add a cool tone one on the outer corner for the depth. But here's the trick. I apply a bit of purple to the lids and blend it well. I have heard guys love pink tones on girls, so consider this. This is our secret spell. I add shimmer shadow into the inner corner to open my eyes. Next, I line my eyes and added individual lashes. I lost that clip, but keep the lashes natural to subtly enhance your eyes. I blend purple and brown on my lower lash line to tie everything together. It keeps the whole eye look cohesive and romantic. Highlight goes on the nose bridge, tip and the brow bone for that fresh look. Then I take a deep purple blush and set my earlier blush. Just a light layer to add dimension and hold. To shape the lips, I contour the cupid's bow for a natural plump lip effect. I line my lips without overlining too much, just enhancing what I've got. Then I blend and apply a nude lipstick to bring the whole look together. Lastly, I use a dewy balm on the high points of my face. It gives that hydrated, healthy skin glow. And that's my go-to date night makeup look. Trust me, if you follow this step, no one can stop your date from falling for you. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your bestie and hit that subscribe button for more looks like this.